The Gaelic Athletic Association, GAA, how sport became a symbol of Irish identity. What if a game evolved into a statement of identity rather than only a sport? The Gaelic Athletic Association, often known as the GAA, was founded in 1884 when Ireland was fighting to maintain her culture under British control. This organization was about defending Irish culture, pride, and independence, not simply about playing Gaelic football or hurling. Sport is still one of the most potent elements in Irish culture today because the GAA turned it into a symbol of cultural resistance. In Thurles, County Tipperary, Michael Cusack and other visionaries established the GAA in 1884. During a period when English sports like rugby and cricket were popular, their goal was to preserve and revitalize Ireland's indigenous games, including rounders, handball, Gaelic football, and hurling. The group swiftly evolved beyond just a sports organization. It was a shift in culture. The GAA provided Irish people with a means of celebrating their ancestry and opposing cultural assimilation via sports, parades, and community gatherings. Playing football or hurling was more than simply a pastime. It was a way to express who you were. The GAA served as a symbol during Ireland's early 20th century independence movement. The group itself became associated with the struggle for freedom, and many of its members were also involved in nationalist activities. Its position in history was solidified by the terrible Bloody Sunday incident in 1920, when British soldiers opened fire during a GAA football game at Croke Park. The GAA is now among the biggest amateur sports leagues worldwide. Pride in Irish culture is still sparked by its parish-based clubs, strong sense of community, and exciting All-Ireland championships. The GAA is more than just a sport. It is a live representation of Irish identity, tradition, and solidarity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more amazing history stories. And don't forget, drop a comment below to share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you.